can stop him.
Provided you throw it from a far enough distance.
That's the bad news. The hammer needs to gain maximum force, which means a long throw. And Edge needs to be locked down dead center of the bullseye.
I'll handle Edge. You ready?
Our power reserves are flatlining.
Ready?
On my mark.
John, you don't have much time to...
Tell me when he's in position.
John, you need to get to land.
Is he in position?
Nashkenet Ayosha! Kryptoni Banjayon!
Rerouting unsuccessful.
Nice timing.
Do my best.